Do you remember how I scalped Wipro and Tata consumers when the European market fell? Yeah, last week. So this time, I kind of noticed a pattern in the 5 minutes chart of UK 100 and started planning how I would take trades if Nifty follows Europe again. Do you notice anything? I can see a shoulder and head. I hope you have heard of the head and shoulders pattern. It is a trend reversal pattern. When you find a head and shoulders at the end of an uptrend, prepare to face the bulls taking over soon. Sellers will start panic selling once the neckline breaks. That is the baseline, which joins the two shoulders and the head. It became a perfect head and shoulders pattern and the neckline broke. But it consolidated near the support below it. Most importantly, though Nifty was showing minuscule similar changes, it didn't fell with UK 100, instead. It continued going up because of the news that Morgan Stanley proclaimed that some leading stocks of Nifty 50 will benefit from new inflows of around $2.5 million. Also, Reliance, which has 14.9% weightage in Nifty, broke the downtrend parallel channel and went up this afternoon. So we didn't get any new shorting opportunity with the European fall this time, but it was a good learning opportunity. And I wasn't wrong about the fall of UK 100 or the formation of the head and shoulders pattern.
Subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram for more tips and strategies of this sort. And happy trading.